welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another tutorial on how I achieved this look using braids and weave. So this hair goes by Zoe Kravitz. It goes by half sew and half braids, and I don't know what else, but this hairstyle has been around since back in the day, so like it's nothing new. It just got reinvented again. As you know, as the years goes on, we always bring back like old hairstyles. So I remember my mom used to do this hairstyle, like she used to sew in her hair and like leave out like enough so that it can cover the tracks, and that's basically what's going on here. So let me just get into the actual hair that I use. So for this video, I did receive hair from Ywigs. They sent me 3 bundles of their body wave hair in 24 inches, and they also sent me 2 bundles of their bulk human hair, which was also body wave, and I believe it was 24 inches too, but I'm not very sure. So I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. But this hair took me about 2 days to do, only because one day I sewed in my hair and the next day I did my single braids. But this hairstyle definitely something I would do again, only because it took me very minimal time to achieve and it's very low maintenance. I did curl the hair just a little bit so that I could get some body to it, but of course you can style it however you want to. But personally for me, I do like when my hair is curled. I like that curl type of hairstyle. But yeah, I did not leave any braids at the back, only the front and then the side, so that it could nicely be blended into the tracks. But let me know how you guys think about this hairstyle, and let's just get into the tutorial now. Okay, so my braid pattern is, I just left out my label of course, and then I braided everything down. Very simple, it's not rocket science. So yeah. So I'm just gonna sew on a mesh onto my braid down so that it's easier for me to sew in my hair. So I'm gonna be working with Ywigs. They sent me 3 bundles of their body wave hair, and they also sent me 2 bundles of the bulk human hair to use for my knotless braids, or I actually don't know how I'm gonna do these braids. This is the bundles straight out the package. Yeah, this is just the bulk hair. I also forgot the amount, like the grams of this hair. I forgot. It's a long day and it's like 10 o'clock right now. I don't even remember what time it is, but this shouldn't take that long, right? I don't know, but let's get started. Okay, so I sewed in my hair to the best of my ability, but I'm gonna go back and like fill in like the little areas where like I probably did not sew it properly, because I did this while looking at the back of my head, so I know there's gonna be areas where like I could fit some more bundles in, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I did the braids off camera, so I did the sides of my hair, okay? And now all I have left is the middle part. So I just divided it into 2 sections, and how I'm going to braid my hair is just go row by row. So I'm just gonna work my way from the back to the front. Simple as that. And I'm going for small braids. And yeah. So I did a couple rows already. So 1, 2, 3, about like 4 rows. And I'm just parting it straight across. So for this, I'm just gonna split it in half. So what I'm using for my braids, the braiding gel that I'm using is this one. This is my holy grail. I get this from the beauty supply store, and I did mention it in my very first video on YouTube. I love the consistency. It does not make my hair disgusting. Like, I feel like I use every braiding gel that is trending, and I don't like any of them. It's very thick. It makes my hair feel very nasty when I remove the braids. So yeah, this is what I'm using. So the braids that I'm using, so this is the 42-inch expression braids that I cut in half, and then I teased the ends of it. It looks very nasty right now, but I teased the ends of it so that the ends are not so choppy. But I did that because I want the braids to not go so far down. I want it to go like right on my jawline. So how I start my braids is I take a piece of the braid like this amount, and then I take one side of it and then I split it in two and make sure the two pieces are equal as you can have it. So it's like this. So the side that's divided, that's the side I'm going to take up my hair, and then I'm going to split my hair in two using my nail and then just braid. So I braided like 3 times down, and then I'm going to add a human hair piece. Add a human hair. 1, 2, and then 3. By the 3rd plait, you should be able to remove the human hair and just put it aside, and then continue braiding. I'm only added 1 human hair piece each braid. So since the side is like basically finished, I'm gonna add a human hair piece, and then again plait, and then I'm gonna add another one. And for the ends of the braid, I'm just gonna take a piece of the human hair, wrap it around, and make a knot. And that is it. So this is the hairstyle. Let me know how you guys think. Never took too long. This is definitely a hack if you want to have a boho look and so on. Like, you know what I'm saying? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.